Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Chewbacca Surprise Fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Chewbacca Surprise Fold, we're going to begin by drawing a small line right across the top of our fold. So we're just going to begin right about here, and we're just going to make a line right across the top. That's going to be kind of like where his mouth is, so a little line just to show you. Now right above here we're going to make the nose. So I'm going to draw a little V shape that just goes down and up. Then we're going to make a little line that's just going to curve around the top. Now starting right here from the nose, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go up and then it's going to come down. And we'll do the same thing here. We're going to go up and then come down. Right here, I'm going to make a circle for an eye, and then over here we're going to make another circle for an eye of Chewbacca. Inside of here, I'm going to make a small circle inside each one. Then we're just going to color in the rest of this. So we'll just fill all this in. Now I'm also going to go and draw a small oval shape on the top of Chewbacca's nose. And we'll go ahead and color this part in too, leaving just that oval white. Now right around the eye, I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve around. And we'll do that same thing over here. We're just going to curve around and bring it down. We'll make a long line that comes out. And then another one that comes out. Now, starting here, where we kind of drew his mustache, we're going to turn this into a beard. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down and back up, down and up, and we'll put a little curve on it and bring it up. We're going to do that same thing here. We're just going to kind of go down and put some little points on here. And then I'm going to add some little extra lines on here just for some extra detail to make it look really furry. Now, starting right here by the eye, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to go out and back in a few times, just to make it look kind of furry. We're going to continue this all the way down to here. And then same thing over here. We're just going to continue this down. Now I'm going to bring this line up, and I'm going to put some little pointed lines up here. And then I'm going to go the other direction, and I'm going to bring these down to here, just to make it look really furry. Right out here, we're going to make a line that's going to come up, and then it's going to go down. And then same thing over here. We're just going to go up and bring it down, just for a little bit of detail. Make a little line above the nose. And then we're going to make some long little lines up here just for a little bit of fur texture and detail. And a few more extra lines in there. I'm also going to go and add some extra lines on these as well, just to make it look a little extra furry. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down at an angle. And then I'm going to make a line that goes over and down at an angle here. Next, I'm going to make some little pointed furry lines that come down on each side. So we're going to do this on each side of him. Next, we're just going to draw some little straight lines that come up here. This is going to be like his little kind of sash that he wears around here where he keeps stuff. And I'm going to add a smaller line here and a smaller line right here, just to show that these are going to be kind of three-dimensional. And then I'll go ahead and put one more all the way up here with a little line. Now here's our basic shape of our Chewbacca. Now we just want to open this up and draw all the details on the inside. Now once it's all open, we have two halves of our Chewbacca. So I'm going to begin right here, and we're going to begin by making the top of his mouth. So we're going to start right here at this line, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come down to here. And we'll do the same thing. We're just going to draw a line that's just going to come down to here. And you can see I kind of curve them out. Now starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, it's going to come up, and then back down and up. I'm going to bring this line down a little bit farther with some points, and we'll do the same thing over here. We're just going to bring it down a little farther. And then I'm going to bring this line up a little bit farther with some more furry points. Starting here, we're going to bring this line down, and we're just going to make this real furry and pointy, and we're going to bring it right down to here. And we'll do that same thing over here. We're just going to make this real pointy and furry, and we're just going to bring it down to here. Now, starting here, we're going to add his teeth. So I'm going to add a line that goes down and up for a point, and we'll do the same thing here. We're going to go down and then up. Next, we're going to put some little smaller ones right in between here. I'm going to do the same thing down here. We're going to go down and up, or up and down, and then we'll do that same thing, just some little smaller ones in between. Next, our neckline is going to go up and down, and we're going to go up and down here. Then I'm going to draw a line that's going to curve up. We're going to go down and back up for that uvula, and then we're just going to bring it back to here. I'm going to add a little line here and a little line here. And I'm just going to add a couple little longer lines on some of these little pieces of fur here, just to give it a little bit more texture and detail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Chewbacca Surprise Fold. So when you have it all folded up, you just have Chewbacca, and then when you open it, you have him roaring. Now you could do a lot of things. You could add some extra little lines in here. You could even make that little roar in letters. You could make the Star Wars logo, May the 4th, whatever you want to. But there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.